Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. Today we will see our exercise 8.4. In that in May 5th question we already started. From that fourth one we have to see in today's question. So it is 1 plus secant a divided by sec a is equal to sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Simplify, hint they have given as simplify LHS and RHS separately. So in this question we have to do both the simplifications separately. Both means LHS and RHS. Okay. It is equal to sin square a 1 minus cos a. Okay. So in this, first let's take only our LHS. Let's take our LHS. For this LHS, this secant a is equal to, we have a formula that is 1 by cos a. This thing already we know. So let interchange this one in this form. LHS is 1 plus sec a divided by sec a is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos a 1 by cos a. So do the LCM and take this LCM. It will be cos a plus 1 divided by cos a, and here 1 by cos a. This both are cos a cancel, and it will be cos a plus 1. This is our LHS answer. Okay. Now let's do our RHS. RHS is sin square a 1 minus cos a. So this sin square a in the form of cos only we got, means we will get our answer very easily. For this sin square we have one identity, that is sin square a plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if from that identity, in the place of sin square a we will write as 1 minus cos square a. So 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. So here there is nothing, means we can take square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b, a minus b. So now let's write this one in the same form. 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. Cancel these two things and it will be 1 plus cos a. So this is our RHS part. So from this our LHS and RHS both are equal. I hope you all are understanding these things. If you all are understanding, then you can like and share, subscribe you can do, and even you can share to all your friends. And now let's see our fifth one. This fifth question, cos a minus sin a plus 1 cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosecant a plus cot a using the identity cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So here they have given one identity as a hint. We will solve that one later, but for this before only they have given in this way. This is very important question, and I think many students will get more confusion in this question, but you don't get any confusion. I will solve it in very easy way. So that is cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1. So here by observing these things we have to get our answer in the form of cosecant a plus cot a. So our aim is this one, our goal is this one. So to get in this way, what we have to change in this one? So by taking sign down numerator and denominator, like that we can interchange. So in the next step we will write as divide numerator and denominator with sin a. Divide both numerator and denominator part with the sin a. So what we will get? Cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by sin A cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by sin A. This thing, see, cos A divided by sin A means cot A, sin A 1, and 1 by cos sin A it will be cosecant A. This formula we already know. So, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. This much we already know. So, let's write this one in the same form. Cos A sin A, this is cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A means cosecant A divided by, here also cot A plus 1 minus again cosecant A. This much we got. Okay. So for this we can interchange, where we can, for this we can interchange, as we will take this 1 and we will keep this cot and cosec in the same place, it means same side. So cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay. See this number, this cot A and cosec A, this it's very important, and by this we can do the, let's rationalize this one. So we have how we can rationalize. So here multiply and divide by, here we can take multiply and divide by cot A plus cosec A. In this way we can take this step. You all remember, multiply and divide, this thing you all remember by yourself only. Okay. So multiply and divide by cos A and cot A and cosecant A, we have got this one. So let's put that one. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Sorry, cosec A plus 1. Okay, we'll take the next one. We'll start here, this continue form. What we have to do here, multiply and divide with cot A plus cosecant A. So cot A plus cosec A minus 1, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. For this, multiply and divide with cot A plus cosecant A divided by cot A plus cosecant A. So now let's keep this above part as it is, and let's see our numerator part. How we can change? We can first multiply with our numerators only. This thing, these two things we are multiplying with this only. So let's keep the above number as it is, cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 cot A plus cosecant A divided by multiplying these things, what we are getting, cot A minus cosecant A cot A plus cosecant A plus 1. The same thing here one time and here also one time, this plus 1 is here, and for this also cot A plus cosecant A. Okay, here this thing, these two things are, sorry, these two things, by seeing these things, what we are feeling, A minus B, A plus B. So we can take this formula as A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B form. This formula we can apply here. So by these, instead of these two brackets, we can write only one, that is cot A plus cosec A minus 1 cot A plus cosec A divided by cot square A minus cosecant square A. 1 plus means it is already almost same. So let's open this bracket also. This is cot A plus cosecant A. Okay. In this one, how we can solve? We know one identity, that is in our hint also they have given cot theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. In the place of, let's take this one this side and this one as this side. So minus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. So here minus 1 is equal to cot square theta plus cosecant square theta. So in place of this we got minus 1. So now let's write cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 cot A minus cosecant A divided by minus 1 plus cot A plus cosecant A. So observe these two things, cot A plus cosecant A minus 1, cot A plus cosecant A minus 1. So these both are almost same. I mean obviously these both are same. So we can cancel these two things. So what we got? Cot A minus cosecant A. So it's our RHS. So hence proved. I hope you all understood this question. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we proved this one. Hence proved. I hope you all understood these things. If you have any doubt, then you can comment me and you can ask me. Thank you.